Dear organizers and participants of the conference, now I am willing to present you a report on the acceleration of the determination of the median of nested subarrays using two binary pyramids. Traditional ways to identify the median arrays and subarrays: quick sort, binary inclusion, partition Hoare, algorithm BFBRT. Finding the median of arrays and subarrays with the use of two pyramids. From the sequence of elements of the input array X, we construct two binary pyramids, A and B, with the same size, so that the pyramid A is not ascending and the pyramid B is not descending, so that the elements of the pyramid B must be smaller than the elements of pyramid A. The numbers of elements in these pyramids must be the same after each step of sequentially processing of the elements of array X. For example, let's see the formation of two pyramids for the array X. The first two elements are in the top of the pyramid and all the others in pairs are in the formed pyramids, so that the elements placed on the top of the one pyramid may go to another pyramid. The results of four steps of pyramid formation A and B of array elements you may see in this picture. Filling in other regular elements in the formed pyramids, 6 variants about the placement of the tops of pyramids are possible, so that the fastest to be filled in will be the third variant, but it happens very rarely. The first, the second, the fifth, and the sixth variants need the replacement of the elements among other pyramids. Options for ordering the values of the verticals of the pyramids A0 and B0 and the minimum and maximum values of the pair of the following array elements X. Let's see it. Let's analyze different variants of defining the median for arrays with 10 million elements. We see that for such arrays, the determination of the median is the fastest with the use of partition Hoare. The duration of determinations of the median arrays of 10 million real numbers algorithm with the use of different methods you may see in this list. While searching for the medians for the subarrays, it's better to use the methods of two binary pyramids, as it doesn't more comparisons than the height of pyramid. The duration of finding the median of 10,000 nested arrays of real numbers of algorithm with the use of different methods you may also see in this list. For the subarrays, in order to search medians, the best variant is to use the binary inclusion, as after it, the replacement among positions of definition the previous and the next element is the fastest. The duration of the determinations is a median of 10,000 subarrays of real numbers, 5,000 elements, each by algorithm with the use of different methods. Let's see. With the use of this research, we may make some conclusions. There are no unrelated methods for determining the medians that are effective for all sequences of arrays or subarrays. It all depends on the number of elements that differ. To determine the median of individual arrays and adjacent subarrays that differ by more than sub-n log sub-n elements, it's advisable to use Hoare's partition instead of the known sorting methods, since it rearranges only individual elements and doesn't order the entire array. While finding the median of subarrays that differ by no more than sub-n log sub-n elements, it's advisable to sort the initial arrays and then sequentially perform the binary search for the deletion of and insertion positions in it, move the elements between them in the direction of the deletion position and insert the new element. The method of two binary pyramids should be used to determine the median sequence of nested Subarrays, since its implementation can perform on average n log n comparisons and as many assignments. Thank you for considering this presentation.